Yes, hello Candy. Let's have a look at my 3D printer. Here you see it, the CTC and the serial number. And this is the build machine. And there we have the X-axis, the Z-axis on the left side and there on the right side. I will now use the menu and everything is put to, I have already used prepare and auto home. So I go to move axis 1 millimeter in Z direction and we have a look at the top here and I move it to top. This is the left axis. Now we go to the right axis. We have seen a little bit wobbling around, but now we go to the other side. Must use it again, prepare and move axis 1 millimeter per rotation of knob and move to Z. There we go. And now let's have a look at this one. I switch the lamp on to see it better. And there you see how it is wobbling on this side. And you go to the top, you see, okay, it's very much. And I can go up to about 40 millimeters. When I use another rotation, the complete machine will block. I don't want to do this now because I think it may damage something. I definitely need a new screw rod on this side and perhaps another one here which is not that banded. Do you agree? Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye.